My last technology website is Prezi. It is a presentation website. The two standards I chose for this one was the first one was under Educator 5C, which states explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. And the other one was a student standard, which was 4B, that stated students select and use digital tools to plan and manage a design process that considers design constraints and calculated risks. I personally love Prezi. I've been using it since high school. It's compared to PowerPoint, Microsoft, it's just a presentation. It helps you create slides. It gives a little bit more animation. I personally prefer it over Microsoft just because it gives me a little bit more options and it's fun. It's easy to use just like Microsoft is, but it allows you to do a little bit more. I actually have a Prezi in here from high school. I'm going to present it really quick. I actually remember what this is from. We had to do the do's and don'ts of working with your superiors at work. So I'm just going to click through the slide and you can see how it moves. And I did that myself. I decided I wanted it to move like that. So basically, my intended audience was actually for teachers, students, and administration. I felt like Prezi would be a really good resource, especially if you had any professional development meetings or administration meetings, staff meetings, and I also think it's a great thing for students to use if they have anything they need to present, such as a project or research or anything like that. So to use Prezi, I could just go to New Folder and then just click New Presentation and it'll take me to another tab. Prezi is free. And it lets me choose my templates, or I can search for the different templates if I want to. I can search for different ones. It gives me the popular ones. So I'm gonna just choose this one. This one looks pretty cool. So then it pops up and it does give you directions every time you open it. You can decide if you don't want the directions or the guidance anymore after you get the hang of it. So for this one, you can click to add title. You can add a title. It's just like PowerPoint. You just click when you want to add. That's all. And if you want it to make big, if you want to get it bigger, you can just click on the slides off to the left here. Then as you move through, if you want to add text and pictures and things of that nature, you would just click on the slide that you want the text to go through. And then when you're done, after you have everything filled out, you just come over here and you click present. It's not filled out, obviously. And you can just click through it and it'll show you how it moves from beginning to end. And I really just enjoy this for the students. I think it'll be fun for them, especially if they get to pick the templates that they want to use and they get to decide how they want to use it. Also for staff and administration, instead of having just a plain black and white slide, I think adding a little animation will make the meetings much more enjoyable as well.